Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Thursday, the 10th day of April 2014. and this is CFRN Community Workshop number 156. Actually, CFRN Community Workshop number 156 is tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so all the folks who just became partners, tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, we have the workshop. And for all the partners, just a reminder, workshop is tonight, 9 p.m. Okay. Let's see. Results. That's what I want to go over. We were so close to ending the day at $1,000 a contract. We ended up 900 because I took this last trade right here and lost $100 on it. Lost 8 ticks. So we're minus 8 on soybeans. We're plus 25 on the Russell. We're plus 47 on natural gas. Plus 18 on crude oil and plus 10 on gold. This morning it took us 23 minutes and 3 trades to get to our goal for the day, which is $100 per contract. And we took a total of 18 trades today. So we were up $900 a contract in the live trading room. In the month of April so far, how many days do we have? 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the 8 days of April so far, we're up $3,267.50 per contract. All right. That's per contract in the live trading room alone, so 2 hours a day. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would still be up a net of $2,307.50 a contract. If you applied a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you would still be up a net of $2,667.50 per contract. Okay, that's where we stand on the month. 3267 gross. Now, let me show you all how to get into the next session. Here we go. Open that. All right, to get into the next session. This is the next session. To take the free trial, all you need to do is go to CFRN.net. In here, put in your name and your email address. Okay, I will, Jim. I'll do it. Put in your name and your email address, easy, and click on register for a free trial. Once you've clicked on register for a free trial, you will be sent a link to confirm that you wanted to do this. You have to click on that link. We don't know that you've registered for the free trial until you click on that link. All right, so you're going to find that link in your email. It should be in your inbox, and click on it. Once you've done that, then you'll get a few emails. You'll get an email that has stuff all about us, all about CFRN, all about us as individuals, and all those sorts of things. Has videos, like 9 videos of the indicators and all kinds of things. It also has the password and the link to get into the live trading room. So you get 5 luxurious days in our live trading room. You'll also get another email that says, please watch this video. Really, please watch the video. It's got the trade setups in it. The longer one has the trade setups in it. It says right in the email. The last 5 minutes of one of the videos. That way you'll be up to speed, or maybe closer to up to speed once you get into the free trial. Okay, once you actually start the free trial. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, that's how you take the free trial. All right. Okay, now we're going to get into the trades. Crude oil and the Russell are the ones that we took the most trades on today. And crude, we had some nice movement at the end. We started out down on crude. Let's see, this was our first trade on crude right here. It was just about 10 o'clock. We took a long trade on the up close above the trend line right here. That stopped us out, minus 8 ticks. And then we were done there on crude for quite a while. That was at 10 o'clock, and we didn't trade crude again until, for an hour. Over here, we were waiting for it to break down below this box right here, below this level. And then it was like shooting fish in a barrel. We just looked for the down close off the BBC. We got short there, took 10 ticks. Another one right here, took 10 ticks. Another one right here, took 6 ticks on that one. After that, this put us at plus 18. We were at minus 8 coming into this. This put us at plus 2. This put us at plus 12. This put us at plus 18. we took one more long trade right here, and we ended up break even with that trade. Okay, and since then, during the break, there wasn't much happening. And that was crude oil. The Russell, we had a lot of trades on the Russell today. We ended up plus 25 on the Russell, but we had a bunch of trades on it, and we missed a bunch of trades too. You can see right here. There's a trade we missed. That was during the break. Let me get back to where we start at the beginning. I'll start at the beginning. All right. You see all in here? Yeah. All right. So our first trade of the day was we missed this one, then we took this one on the Russell. We had a break even on that one. Then a few minutes later, we missed this one, we missed that one, and we took this one. We made 5 ticks profit on that one. And then 10 minutes later, roughly, we took this one. On this one, we made 5 ticks. On this one, there's another one in here somewhere that we missed. We made 5 ticks on. I think it was right here. We made 5 ticks, and then we made another 5 ticks because it took us 23 minutes. And then on this one, we made 10 ticks, a break even. I believe we made, or one of these we made 1 tick. This is 1 tick. So we made 10 ticks here, 1 tick there, a break even. On this one, we made 4 ticks. That put us at 25 ticks per contract. All right. There was an hour left in the day, and I don't think we traded the Russell again. It was right in here. You see that nice move down? I was saying when this was happening right here that the cycle is due to reset and it's going to have a big move down. And once it has a big move down, we'll have more shorting opportunities. But we got the big move down, but I ended up missing this shorting opportunity right in here. All right. I chose not to take it. I didn't miss it. I chose not to take it. Anyway, this up close right here was a long trade. We took that one. We got a break even on it. There was a follow-up one right here that would have been a break even trade. We're getting toward the end of the live trading room in here. Ooh, sorry. We're getting toward the end of the live trading room in there. But we didn't have any trades right in here, did we? If you drew your trend line up, you might have gotten a short right in here. Might have gone short right in there. That would have stopped you out. Okay. It was followed up by a short right over here, which would have given you your money right back. And another one right in here. Well, that was kind of late in the day, and the cycle was going up too far. But there was a nice one right here that we missed. Let's see. Since then, during the break, there was a lot of movement. There were some trades right in here. Short trades in here. Right there, right there, right there. Over here. That was the one I just showed you. Okay, and then we change directions. The cycle moves up. We change directions. Price gets above the BBC, and we start looking for long trades. Yeah, there was nothing in there. Change directions again. And now it's kind of undecided, but there was a short trade right here that you could have taken. It did put in a lower swing. You have lower highs and lower lows. That one would have stopped you out. Okay. That was our day on the Russell. We're plus 25 ticks on the Russell today. Okay. Now, gold. Gold should be a little easier to go through. We only had a couple of trades on gold. We missed a couple. Now, here at the open, there was a short trade right there. We were looking for it to get down into this box. We missed it, didn't take it. There was a long trade over here we didn't take. We did grab this one. Once we put in a higher swing and we had a trend line, we grabbed this one. We took 10 ticks profit on that. We missed this one, which would have stopped out. We missed that. We missed this one over here. Actually, we took this one, and we got a break even on it. I don't know why I have an ellipse on it. We took that one, and we got a break even on it. Excuse me. Since then, I guess right in here, higher highs, higher lows. There was a long trade right in here that we could have taken that I missed, and that's it. Since then, there was just one trade right in here. It looks like you could have taken a short trade right here for this move down. Possibly another one right here at the end of it. We ended plus 10 ticks from this trade right here. Okay, plus 10 ticks on gold from that trade. Soybeans, we only took one trade on the soybeans, and it was at the end of the morning. Oops, I didn't even show it. It wasn't there. It must have been. Nope, it wasn't there. Trying to find out where it was. It was right at the end of the live trading room. I think it was right here. We took this down close right here. Something like this. We took a short trade. Oh, it was this one right here. This is where it was. Okay. Sorry, it was right here. We took this short trade right here on the down close below that trend line, and it stopped us out pretty much to the tick. It went through our tick by one or two ticks, and then it dropped down here to where we would move our stop to break even. It eventually ended up going down, but that was the only trade we took on soybeans. It was one stop out on soybeans. Okay, and on the ES, I don't have an ES DOM open, so I can't actually take any ES trades, but I did highlight a couple. This one right here that worked out pretty well, and this one right here that didn't work out. Okay, those were the two ES trades that I had highlighted in the live trading room. Let's see, since then, during the break, there was really nothing in here. Could have shorted right there on the ES for like a point or two. But that was it. Okay. And let's go in here and we'll do the natural gas. Now on natural gas, we just had a couple of trades today, but we're up 47 ticks. One of those trades was a breakout trade, so I'll show you that in just a moment. Okay, let me slide this over here, over a little more. There we go. All right, so our first trade in natural gas, yes, Andrea, 4-tick range, yes. Our first trade in natural gas was right here. It was an up close above the trend line. We took 5 ticks profit on that. Is this natural gas? Yeah, we took 5 ticks profit on that. It looks like a lot more, but we actually only took 5 ticks profit on that. That's the wrong day. Sorry. That's why that looks funny. This was our first trade in natural gas. It was a short trade right here, and we took 5 ticks profit on that. We took 5 ticks profit on that. All right, the next trade that we took was a breakout trade. We said buy on the natural gas inventories. We said buy 45.56 and sell 45.21. We got filled in here, and we took 42 ticks profit on that trade. 42 ticks profit in like 10 seconds. And that was what we did on natural gas. There were a bunch more trades that set up. I mean, you can see between here and here, all those bars is 1 minute. We had some partners that did really well on this, and some that didn't do as well because they got too much slippage. Right in here was a nice long trade you could have done afterward. Right here was a short trade you could have done afterward. It set up a nice head and shoulders pattern. Here's the head, here's the shoulder. This whole thing over here was the other shoulder. And it broke the neckline right here and went down pretty well. Since then, not really a lot happening in there. Okay? Not too much happening in there. That's it, guys. That's what we got in here for right now. All right, so I want to show you the spreadsheet one more time. Okay, this is the spreadsheet. We're up $3,267.50 per contract on the month so far. We're 8 days into a 20 business day month. So our high of the year was right here, 6,042.5. So we're on pace to put a new high in for the year. Okay. Let's see. If you haven't taken the free trial, good afternoon, Pete. If you haven't taken the free trial, go to CFRN.net, just fill in your name and email address, click register for a free trial, and then click on the link that gets emailed to you. All right? That's it, guys. Just want to remind you all, there's a partners meeting tonight. If you want to become a partner, or if you're on the free trial and you want to get into the partners meeting, you have to become a partner first. Okay? If you want to become a partner and you don't know how, email us at support@cfrn.net. It's support@cfrn.net. And we will get back to you with the information you need. All right, guys? That's it. We're going to wrap it up and head back to Phoenix, Arizona.